this thing. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Do you see what I'm leaning on here? I got this dresser at an estate sale. It came from an old house that was flipped into an Airbnb. This dresser was then used for the Airbnb, so it's been used and abused, and today its beautiful 1960s aesthetics are going to be restored and cleaned to the best of my ability anyways. There's some parts I'm like, what do I do? But yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and clean and touch up the gold paint. These are very charming dressers. I do not know their manufacturer. I need to do some more research on that, but I see them a lot while thrifting, and I just love this 1960s, 1970s Victorian revival style. Let's go ahead and get started on the restoration process. Please remember to hit that subscribe button. Go ahead and check out my Instagram, Twitter, eBay, PO Box down below. Check out any of my other videos, of course, after watching this one. And yeah. Let's get cleaning. Let's get restoring. This thing is dusty as heck. So as you guys can see, the top of the dresser is where a lot of the damage took place. To fix this problem, I went ahead and bought some more high quality acrylic craft paint to touch up this gold dresser. I didn't sand it or anything. I thought about it, but I didn't. And when I went to paint another part of the dresser, you'll see later in this video, that kind of backfired. So yeah. So the other problem with this dresser was one of the pieces that helps the dresser function as a dresser was stripped. The wood was stripped, as this is a vintage piece. So my neighbor, he is a really good woodworker, and he helped me make a new piece. He followed the same measurements as the original pieces, and you'll see me install that later in the video. But yeah. We've got a drawer stack. Let's get to cleaning. Magic eraser, squeak, squeak, squeak. Get out all the water because we're working with wood. And with practice, it gets too much water. We got a new angle. I'm tired, but I'm determined to get this done. My shoulder has decided to just start hurting like I'm 77, even though I'm not. Anyway, so I got this brush and some nice gold paint. That's just some acrylic. You guys, the dresser's almost finished. All I had to do here was put back in the drawer thingies that make the drawer do dresser drawer stuff. Yeah. As you can see, there's two pieces of the dresser here. One of them is an original and one of them is the copy my neighbor made out of wood, because I previously mentioned at the beginning of the video, he's good at making wood stuff. Yeah. So, yeah, and then I went ahead and put those in the dresser and struggled. Much struggle. Yes. With screwdriver, but I figured it out and asked for more help from my neighbor. And then the drawer was fixed. As you can see, I'm still struggling here. Okay, friends, so I got all of this painted. I got it clean. I got this new thing put in. Now I'm going to add just a teeny tiny bit of pink. I know I said I was gonna keep this original, but I just want to add some pink lines. And yeah, let's do it. Okay, so here's the tea. So now I know it's really bad. I'm just using a little pink spray paint to add a little bit more details. But yeah, I'm sorry. It's just a little tiny bit on the original green veneer. It won't do too much and it will make me happier and it'll be cuter. So yeah, anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and do that real quick. But anyway, I'm just adding a tiny bit of pink detail. I'm sorry, but I just need some pink. I'll show you guys. You know how I put tape on this to add my pink touches? Well, it looks like I have to touch up the gold again because the masking tape took some of the gold with it. So, I haven't even shown you guys some of the structural problems I've had. Like, this dresser is putting me through it, but I want to get it done and I want to get it cute. Ah! Please subscribe. Okay, keep on keeping on, I guess. Okay, but you guys, like, oh my god, tripod. Who is she? Look at this. Look how nicely the tape came off. It's still a little tacky. I'm gonna touch up the gold and we will finally get to the outro. But yeah, isn't it cute? Or did I mess it up completely? Let me know down in the comments below. Okay. Don't fall. Shoosh. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. I just got cut by the drawer, so she is dramatic, but she is done. I'm just gonna let her dry and erase these pencil lines I have here. But yeah, anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed. Please remember to hit that subscribe button. Go ahead and check out down below my Instagram, Twitter, eBay, P.O. Box. But most importantly, if you enjoyed this video, please consider watching another one of mine. And yeah, thanks for watching. Please remember to hit that subscribe button.